Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to restore your speaker. Today we have this Sony rear speaker. Let's find out the model number. Start by unscrew these two screws first. Then you can find the hidden screw under this rubber. So let's remove them first. Unscrew the four remaining ones. Now let's have a look inside. We'll just need to check out if there is any problem or dust. As I can see, it is fine from the speaker side. Little bit dust on the rear cover. Let's clear it out here. Now it's looking much better. Let's put everything back. Using scratch remover from turtle wax, spread out little bit and polish the rear cover. Let's do the same process on the top cover as well. Don't forget to use the microfiber towel just to give like a final touch. For the speaker net, as you can see, it is faded through all of these years, so I will use the black marker just to return it to more black and shining. As you can see now, this is the final result. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.